Good evening and welcome to Direct Pay Biz, where we get paid instantly, the easiest money. Hello and welcome again. My name is Pete Redicup, together with my business partner Gerhard Rempel. We're Canadians situated down in beautiful tropical Belize, Central America. We've got a powerful concept to share with you today here, and we want to welcome you to Direct Pay Biz, the easiest money you will ever make in your life, the most powerful leveraging system ever created. This $9 system has more people making more money than any system ever. Direct Pay Biz is already becoming the fastest moving program you have ever seen. Direct payments, member to member. You are in total 100% control of your own business. You're working for yourself, but not by yourself. And here's why your upline and downline will help you fill your tiers. Now, in just 8 short weeks, you could easily have more money than you ever dreamed possible. Learn how to start to earn money in just 5 minutes. So stick with me. 5 minutes here, folks. We're going to teach you how to turn $9 into an astronomic potential $597,170. Now, we know that sounds a little unrealistic, but our team approach here is let's focus on $500. Would that make a difference in your life right now? If we could teach you and show you a simple strategy, a simple concept that could put $500 in your pocket in the next 4 weeks, well, stay with me, my friends, because it's very, very possible. The low one-time entry cost of $9, you break even with your very first referral. Now think about that for a moment. Breaking even with your first referral. $9. I mean, you can't even get a good lunch at McDonald's for $9. No monthly admin fees ever. Instant member-to-member payments utilizing PayPal, Solid Trust, EaglePay. It's member-to-member, and that's very exciting. No pendings, no waiting to get paid from a company. A powerful team build concept, 5x4 forced matrix. Spill over and spill under, unlike anything that you've seen before. And I know you've heard those words before. Spill over and spill under. Yep, right. Well, you know what? The beautiful thing about this system is it will happen here, and this cannot be stalled by non-paying referrals due to the fact that they are purged and removed from the system after 48 hours of not upgrading. So you want to encourage your referrals to upgrade as quickly as possible. Now, why should you join Direct Pay Biz? Well, because of how the system works. This works great for everybody, not just the gurus, not just a few people on top making all the money. That's not Direct Pay Biz. This is realistic and works for everyone who decides to share this. Now let's cover what Direct Pay Biz is not. It's not an incorporated association. It's not a business, a partnership, a large multinational corporation. Direct Pay Biz is designed to put an average person, just like you, into profits in the shortest time possible, helping you again to earn the whopping $597,170. Now again, this may sound very unrealistic to you, but given Rome was not built in a day, this is going to happen with time. But the reality is $9 one-time payment to your sponsor and 4 short levels with 2 phases, and it's very simple. But again, our team strategy is let's focus on making $500. Does that sound realistic? Does that sound doable? Would that make a difference in your life? Well, let's cover this incredibly powerful leveraging system, Direct Pay Biz. This system that they put together here, when I first got this link Skyped to me, I must say I was intrigued. I looked at it, but ruled it out, shut it down. Got the link Skyped again, looked at it again. The 3rd time, the 4th time, finally the 4th time, I said, I gotta look at this. And I finally took the time to look at it. My jaw hit the floor. So if you want to earn multiple payments of $9, $15, $30, $60, even $800 daily, then you need to take a serious look at this. This is a very simple program, and the concept is so unique. It's a refreshing approach to all the garble and mumble jumble that's out there today. And the best part about it is it's incredibly easy to do, and the fact that you get paid instantly. We do not collect money from you or your downline members. You make money on your very first person that you bring in. Now, it doesn't get any easier than that. Joining at $9, paying your sponsor $9, and sharing this with a friend, someone that you know, love, and trust, and want to help out, and receiving that first $9 payment. That, my friend, will immediately turn you into a believer. DirectPay Biz uses that simple, fast-filling 5x4 forced matrix where everybody in the team is working to fill it. Now, a brief overview of how the program works. Filling the tiers is a combined effort between you and all of your referrals 4 levels down. Now, you can only have 5 personal referrals on tier 1. Guess what happens to referral 6? It spills down to the first person of your 5 that does not have a personal referral. Then as you continue to sponsor, the spillover happens and you see it passing on to your referrals. And once your 5 referrals have their 5, then the spill will go down to your second tier, your second level referrals, and so on, all the way down to your 4th tier. Now here again is a breakdown and a simple explanation of how you'll receive your payments in the 2 phases. We'll cover phase 1. Once you grasp phase 1, you will understand phase 2 to a T. 5 personal referrals, as we mentioned, on tier 1, each paying you $9 for level 1. 9 times 5 is 45. What I'm personally going to recommend, the moment you have your first 2 payments in, upgrade to tier 2. Because you see, my friend, you want to stay ahead, 1 level, maybe 2 levels of anyone in your organization so that none of the payments pass up. Because you see, you can only make money on the level that you're in. So if you're only in level 1, you can only receive level 1 payments. The moment you upgrade to level 2, tier 2, $15, you will be eligible to receive the 25 payments of $15 each for level 2. Your tier 3 has 125 members. You upgrade to that the moment you've collected $30. So what I'm going to recommend again is the first 2 payments that come in from tier 2, take that $30, upgrade to tier 3, and you will receive $30 payments. And that's the reality, $30 payments. You may not get all 125 right away, and that's okay. Maybe you'll just get 5 or 6 or 10 right away, and that's still good. That's a solid income that you'll be making here. Now your 4th tier, 625 members on your 4th tier, your 4th level referrals, they will pay you each $60. So you see, you want to start working with your personal referrals immediately, get them excited, get them sharing this concept with their contacts, and social media marketing, Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook. I mean, this is huge. Just start sharing the message. Of the millions of people out there, who do you think would potentially have $9 extra to put into something that they could go to work with immediately and start earning a positive cash flow? Let's just focus on $500. How do we do that? Well, let's go over the explanation of how you receive payments in phase 2. 5 members, your personal referrals that you brought in, pay you $100 each for membership level 5. So your 1st tier and your 5th tier pay you personally, directly. In this case, 5 members paying you $100 each. Guess what we've just achieved here? $500 for you, my friend. 5 people upgrading all the way to tier 5. You'll have made more than 500, but just on this tier alone, 500. 25 members on the 2nd level pay you $200 each for membership level 6. 125 members on your 3rd level pay you $400 each for membership level 7. 625 members on your 4th level pay you $800 each for membership level 8. Now again, that's going to take a bit of time, and that's okay. Teamwork makes the dream work, my friend. Now here's a simple explanation of how the payments pass up to your sponsor and upwards. Your personal referral payments, level 1, go directly to you. Your 2nd level referral payments, level 2, go to your sponsor, the person that brought you in, your upline. Your personal referrals are your 2nd level, also known as 2nd generation downline. Your 3rd level referral payments, level 3, go to your 3rd generation upline. Your 4th level referral payments, level 4, go to your 4th generation upline, and so on. And this is where you'll get real excited when you grasp the concept that you are paying your 4th generation upline through these 4 tiers, but as you build 4 levels down, that 4-level genealogy system that you've created and supported is going to be paying you, my friend.